Good morning!
Hola from California.
From California.
In our little slice of paradise, which is Pacific Grove in Monterey, California.
What are we doing today, Kenny?
Going diving.
Going scuba
Woke
diving.
up with a laundry list of things that we would like to do, and we chose diving because it's a beautiful day out.
Winter.
It's a little chilly, and the conditions aren't that great apparently, but it should be a fun day of diving.
We're just rolling up on the beach now, and there are, oh my gosh, there are probably 50 people in the water that we can see on the surface.
So scuba diving was a bad choice. It's like Anchorman. No, it's fine. It's gonna totally, we'll go deeper than.
Drop the camera there, no big deal.
It was kind of a big deal, but it seems pretty typical for our production quality.
People drop cameras all the time in videos.
Yeah, hopefully we don't drop it while we're scuba diving.
That's okay, we have a floaty handle. Floats.
My goal for the day is to not freak out if a sea lion pops up in front of my face again. Because last time that was pretty startling. It was pretty much a game changer. I thought it was a shark about to eat my face off.
Yeah.
Well, moral story is we're excited to show all you wonderful people
another one-way.
Our dive trip, because we've upgraded to a much better GoPro. So the video shouldn't be just 6 pixels bouncing around.
Hopefully.
But yeah, that's it. That's all I got.
All right, well, we're gonna try to find a parking spot because it is very busy.
And then we'll show you the shit show that is how many people are on this beach. It's insane.
And then we will try to get all of our gear out, and that part is always
I probably forgot half of it.
a production. It's getting into all of your gear, and I still have to put my wetsuit on, and it's not fun trying to get the wetsuit on.
True.
All right, we will check back in with you soon.
Deuces.
So many people.
Have you ever seen this many scuba divers in your life? This is insane. It's like a scuba diver meetup.
Also, oh, there's people going to the Monterey fields over there.
Yeah, we're gonna so do that.
Time for an update.
Okay, guys. Bad news. We had a slight technical problem in terms of everything that happened on that dive.
I mean, technology these days.
But yes, that and everything went wrong.
Not everything. We're fine. We're safe. We dove.
Okay, so
breathed air underwater.
Went diving. The camera didn't work at all. It was frozen from Jump Street. Yeah, sweet. Thanks technology.
GoPro Hero 7, brand new.
Yeah, cool.
Just likes to brick up sometimes. It's
yeah,
really convenient.
Super sweet. But anyway, we tried to find the Monterey fields. We found sand.
Well, looking into it, you're supposed to follow a pipe, and we didn't know there were more than one pipe.
We followed a pipe. We didn't follow the pipe.
Yeah, we
turns
followed
out
the wrong pipe. Turns out, and so we were a little bit lost from the get-go.
But it was a super cool dive. Still saw a bunch of things. What was the jellyfish thing? Is that that's what this was about?
Oh, those were squid eggs.
Squid.
Yeah, they're like.
First I thought something was gonna eat me. You were doing this a lot.
No,
and
I was
like,
doing this, which is my
like anti-eat me.
Yeah.
Swimming away.
I don't know. It's like the squid signal. And I did this. Baby squids.
Yeah.
They were those little white.
It was really cool.
They're either squids or octopus, but I think
what was
they're
that big
squids.
thing that we saw with like that I pointed down at? It was like this. It looked like a nudibranch, but like.
Oh, that was a sea cucumber.
A sea cucumber. Okay, but like.
But then we saw some, I think, sea pens. Those things that look like feathers sticking out of the sand. We saw a couple of those, which we've like seen in the aquarium, but I've never seen them in the wild. Those are pretty cool. They look like just feathers, like sticking out of the sand, like plumy feathers. And then we saw some really cool snails.
The viz was terrible.
We saw some really cool snails too.
Lots of
like
them.
cones, maybe not cone snails, but like predatory snails.
But listen, we're gonna go back out. We're gonna go back to the breakwater instead of like out just into the middle. Hopefully we see some sea lions. Hopefully the GoPro works. out my sweet spin moves.
Yeah.
I think they would go away for like a couple seconds, enough to celebrate seeing them, and then they come back. And what I think happened is that one of them saw my sweet spin moves and would go.
Show us your sweet spin moves.
Just in the water like this. And, I think one guy found out about my spin moves and went up and told all the other guys about my spin moves, and then they kept coming down and being like, yeah, those spin moves are pretty legit.
Pretty legit.
But then one time Danielle said that.
I'll reenact it. It went.
I missed that part. I think he was a bit jealous of my spin moves. He's like, that was an aggressive spin move, and it was sensational.
We got to a certain part of the dive and all of a sudden you could hear the sea lions on the surface, and I was just like looking everywhere for them and I didn't see them, and then all of a sudden they just like swarmed, and they were kicking up so much like sediment. It was getting so cloudy, so then it was getting harder to see them coming at you until they were like so close to your face.
It was awesome.
It was pretty cool.
I really hope that sea lion trying to bite me thing isn't real. I think it's fake news, to be honest.
It happened, and it made me a little bit nervous.
I'll bite back next time.
No.
I'm gonna establish dominance
I saw
out in these waters.
I saw its teeth. Oh, so bad.
Thanks for checking in.
Yeah.
Stopping by, you wonderful people. We're still out here, West Coast, Best Coast. So until next time.
Yeah. Enjoy.